Hi, everyone. I wanted to participate in this week's discussion by telling you a little bit about myself, I suppose, simply because I'm not a student in the class and I'm teaching it. So, how did what was my path to that led to teaching medical terminology? So, I have worked in healthcare right out of high school. I actually earned my EMT license as soon as I graduated, and I started working on an ambulance. Actually, over in Trinity County, I worked at Trinity County Life Support, if any of you are familiar. And then I started working in emergency room in Arizona as an ER tech, and then became a medical assistant. And I was a EKG tech for a while, and phlebotomist, and I worked in healthcare while I finished college. And so that's what put me through college. And then fell into a position teaching, and that led to also teaching medical terminology. So my son is 16. I started teaching, I know, when I was pregnant with him. So I know that I've been teaching medical terminology for about 16 years. And I love teaching this class. I think it's great information, so I'm excited to have you all with me. So, what would I rather have? I would rather have the ability to, I think, read minds. And a lot of students have answered this with interesting answers. And the reason that I would like to be able to read minds is because maybe I'm sure I'm naive in thinking, but perhaps it might improve communication just if you could have that level of honesty, right? So I guess if I could read someone's mind, they wouldn't necessarily have to be brave enough or courageous enough to be brutally honest because I would just automatically know what they were thinking. So that's my reasoning for that. I'm excited to get started next week with some core content. So thank you all for participating in this week's discussion.